Product type: auto part. Package dimensions: 3.3 cm L x 4.8 cm W x 23.1 cm H. Country of origin: United States. Package weight: 0.1 pounds. Allstar 3/16" mounting hole bolt-on style brake line adapter mounting tab, pack of 2, has a bolt-on style and a 3/16" mounting hole. It is designed to secure the Allstar brake line adapters part 50100 through 50103. It is sold as one set of 2 pieces. It is backed by a 90-day limited factory. Top reviews from the United States. Works for aftermarket kmembers. I used these with an aftermarket kmember on a 1998 Firebird formula. These really came in handy holding the brake line in place. I just rounded out the opening of my brake line since it had a hex-like pattern.